Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning unit number 8 and its title is A Walk in Paradise. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 3, under the title of pronunciation skills, we will learn about trigraph. Okay. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, you have already learned about trigraphs on page number 43. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, that what are trigraph. So today we are going to enhance our knowledge about trigraph. Our today's student learning outcome is articulate, practice and syllabify words containing trigraphs. Okay, in this way how we can syllabify a word according to a trigraph. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 257, Allah is the guardian of the believers. He brings them out of darkness and into light. As for the disbelievers, their guardians are false gods who lead them out of light and into darkness. It is they who will believe the residents of the fire. They will be there forever. Okay. Do you know that beautiful verse is telling us about that? Those are disbelievers. Those are disbelievers. Definitely their God are also disbelievers. Fake God, false God. They have and they are worshipping them, they are following them. But those who believe on Almighty Allah, so definitely Allah Almighty give a right path towards them. Allah is always guardian of the believers. You can see that. So when Allah is guardian, so definitely He bring His man out of darkness to the light. And when a person is following a false God, definitely he will get him into darkness, from light to into darkness. Okay, so definitely we have to pray from Almighty Allah that Allah Almighty always lead us toward the right path, and Allah Almighty must be our guardian in by all means. Ameen. There I have highlighted a word light. Do you see that, my dear students? Light, GHT, GHT. Okay, now let's see what is a trigraph. There is an activity for you. Yes, my dear students, get students in different groups. Each group will find out diagram from the text given on book page number 60 and 61. Okay, I'm waiting for you. You have few minutes, so you have to do it quickly, my dear students. You have to find digraphs. After that, we will learn about trigraphs. Pause the video and search out from page number 60 and 61. I am waiting for you. Welcome back, and I hope you have done with it and you have got that what are digraph, and we can get that. So let's see what is a trigraph. A trigraph is a single sound that is represented by 3 letters. It may be consist of consonants or vowels, or they may be a combination of both. So yes, my dear students. So what is a trigraph? A letter itself, trigraph, is always also showing tri mean 3. Okay, tri mean 3. So always it is represented by 3 letters sound. When 3 letters are joining together, so these 3 letters are giving us sound, then these letters are called trigraph. So which type of these 3 letters can be? 3 letters can be a combination of vowels and consonant or both. Okay, it can be, doesn't matter, but this will be a trigraph when it will give us a single sound. How we can get? See there is like fridge, DGE. So now D and G is consonant, my dear students, and E is a vowel. So it is combination of both. Okay, fridge, DGE. It is single sound, representing single sound by the joining of combination of 3 letters. Another is, you can see that, read that, my dear students, with me, bridge. So I have highlighted, you can see bridge. Good. Next, yes. Okay, watch, TCH, Okay, so CH already it was a digraph, and now T, when it is combined, so it is a trigraph. Watch. Next, okay, catch. Catch. Got it? Catch. What we have to do? Catch already we have learned. Write. There is another word. Write. Okay. GHTIGH. IGH is already a trigraph. Bridge. You can judge that. Now we are moving toward an activity that how we can get a word. So let's see. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, get students into pairs and write words having DGE, GHT, TCH sound. Practice the words into activity in group of 4 members. I'll listen carefully to each other and help to improve the correct pronunciation. Let students write and syllabify words having trigraphs in their notebooks. Okay, this is an activity for you. Student will read also these words that you will write, my dear students, and while reading they can get correct pronunciation. Okay, so perform this activity in your class and then come back. So welcome back, good job. I hope you have done with it. Now it's time to move to an individual activity on your book, page number 63. Question number 4 is there. You have to fill the blanks. You have to be careful while fill the blanks, while filling the space. Okay, so perform this activity in your class individually under your teacher supervision. Welcome back and good job. I hope you have done with it in a nice way. Good job, my dear students. So what's your homework for today? Look around at home and find out things having trigraphs and write them in your notebook. You have to look around your home, at your home. When you will get home, my dear students, you will look around which things are available at your home. And from these things, you will find out words, things that have trigraphs. Okay, and these words you will write in your notebook. Okay, this is an observation for you, and that how you can get, how you can examine, how you can judge that things having trigraph. Okay, this is an interesting activity for you, my dear students. So yes, my dear teachers, this worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students and get that how they are able to complete the given chart using trigraph. Okay, so what we have learned today, we learned about digraphs and trigraphs. We learned to pronounce and practice words having trigraph, and in this way we have covered up our this is hello, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture, and tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon. Till that time, take care of yourself. See you soon, inshallah. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.